Next up, Resonant sensors. When your doctor typically orders a diagnostic or analytical medical test during a routine office visit, it takes several days to get the test results back. It's really annoying. I want it now, right? Tell me if I've got something now, right? Our next finalist has developed innovative optical sensor technology that can monitor biochemical reactions in real time and with accuracy, so you get the results while you're still at the doctor's office. To present on behalf of Horizon finalists and Resonant Sensors, please welcome their CEO, Debra Wawro. Debra?
Thank you very much. I appreciate the opportunity to present to you guys today, and we're very honored to be a finalist for this Horizon category, and it is truly an honor to be nominated. We're really excited about it. I'm the CEO and Chief Scientist of Resonant Sensors, and we're basically developing a new type of technology that can monitor biochemical interactions with light. And we monitor it directly so that there's no chemical processing involved in doing the detection. I have a picture up here of a cartoon picture of our prototype that's under development. We have a compact biochip system, and the chip is basically sensitized to detect an array of different materials. One of the applications that we're developing is for ovarian cancer detection. So it's an early screening tool for ovarian cancer, which doesn't currently exist out in the marketplace right now. And the second one is to screen for methicillin-resistant staph infections. So when you go into a hospital environment, that's a really critical place for sick people to transmit antibiotic-resistant pathogens to other patients. And this tool, we can actually screen for those pathogens in less than 10 minutes for the chip. Basically, diagnostics tests typically influence the decisions that the healthcare providers make. So the faster that you can get the test results back, the faster they can give you the appropriate treatment. A lot of times the doctors don't know what it is for a couple of days, and they'll send you home with some treatment that may or may not be the appropriate one. So basically getting the test results back faster means that you're going to get well faster. Also having it in the doctor's office is really critical because it can be done at the point of care. Now this technology, the biochip system is under development with our contract manufacturing partner Raytheon Elcan. But our current product that's based on the same optical technology is a benchtop reader system that is targeted at research type applications like drug discovery, where they need to screen lots of compounds to determine whether or not that compound is a viable candidate for a particular pharmaceutical drug. So our current product that we're selling right now is a benchtop unit using the same technology, just in a different format, in a standard micro-well plate. So this little picture that you see up there, you see the color diffraction spectrum. This is based on an optical technology with essentially a mirror that's in the bottom of the sensor plate, and the mirror reflects a different color of light depending upon what is binding at the surface. So we can monitor the binding in real time. So basically we get the results back instantaneously, and we're only limited by how fast things bind to the surface. And you can see on the little inset there, we monitor reflectance, or optical reflectance, a color of light, and then the color changes, and that just shows the shift. This is based on something called guided mode resonance technology that was developed at UT Arlington, and I'll talk about that in just a few minutes. But the target customers for this, for the medical diagnostic tools, having a rapid screening system is a critical element for healthcare and hospitals and any type of healthcare facility, medical facility. But there's lots of biotech researchers that are developing new types of compounds, monitoring things like food safety, and developing new types of compounds for a variety of applications. Those are all also research customers. So there's actually quite a few, there's 2,000 pharmaceutical and biotech companies basically that could use this tool, and those are our target initial customers. The secondary markets for the medical diagnostics are the hospitals and healthcare facilities, and once we get the FDA approval to sell in those marketplaces, that will really expand our product portfolio. So this was a technology transfer opportunity since the technology was developed out of UT Arlington. It's based on many years of research by myself and my co-founder, Dr. Robert Magnuson, who is a professor at UT Arlington. This was actually the subject of my graduate work when I was a student many years ago. So we founded the company basically, and we have other key team members because we can't do it by ourselves, obviously. So Shelby Zimmerman has been with us from the beginning, and she's a critical person in the company. We have regulatory people. But really, we're focused on the core competencies of the sensor technology, which is the photonic technology, and we're applying that to key applications that have a need in the marketplace. We have basically gotten our funding to date with investors, and we started out with SBIR grants from the National Science Foundation. That's when I was actually in the telecom industry working on, I'm an electrical engineer by my education, and I focused in optical components, and so we applied optical components into the biomedical industry, but we started out with an SBIR grant from the National Science Foundation. So we've been able to get phase 1, phase 2. We've gotten funding from the National Cancer Institute to develop our ovarian cancer tool, and also from DARPA. And we're also a State of Texas Emerging Technology Fund recipient. And we actually do have 2 facilities. One of them is in association with Tech Fort Worth. We're a member of Darlene's Accelerator, and they provide a lot of business assistance for us. And we lease facilities also out of UT Arlington for the company. And, oops, sorry. And I thank you very much for the opportunity to present.